Hi guys, Tracy here, and look what just arrived in the mail. Hooray! I have the Freckled Fawn embellishment kit, the journal cards, and the pattern paper. These are all for the month of December. It does take the kits a while to get to me here in Canada, but I'm really excited to have these kits. They're not terribly Christmas or holiday themed. There are some mittens and some other things that have a bit of a winter theme, but I'm really looking forward to having a closer look at these products. I'm going to start by showing you guys the papers, although unfortunately the papers don't seem like they're still available on their website, unless if I'm totally missing it somewhere. I'm going to leave a link in the information section below that is an affiliate link, so I do get a small commission for any of the shopping that you do using that link. I really appreciate your support. If you're going to buy over at Freckled Fawn, you can always come over to my YouTube channel and grab that affiliate link. It's in the information section from every single one of my videos, so you can always do that anytime you want to shop Freckled Fawn. But I will put that link at the very top of this video, since this video is all about the Freckled Fawn kits for the month of December. Now, this embellishment kit is still in stock. It's $27, and so you can pick that up. And although it looks like you can't get the paper or the journaling cards anymore for the month of December, they have beautiful new releases in terms of paper and cards for the month of January, as well as their January embellishment kit as well, which I don't have any of those products yet. Full disclosure, Freckled Fawn does send me these beautiful goodies every month for me to show to you guys and to use in my projects. So thank you so much to them. As you guys know, if you've been watching me for a while, I truly love Freckled Fawn products, and I've been a long time fan of their products, and I have bought their products. I subscribed to their kits long before they supported my channel, so obviously these reactions to these products are completely genuine, and I love these products. So first of all, I will start by showing you guys the paper. We have this gorgeous patterned paper that includes these little teacups or coffee cups. They're so adorable. They have a red, white, green, and pink color scheme to them, so very appropriate for Christmas, but not necessarily only Christmas. Really cute. I love the little patterns on the teacups. They're so adorable. And I love that you can see the coffee in the cup. Really cute. The other side is this striped pattern, but what's really neat about it is that it's a narrow stripe and then a wide stripe on the same page. So that's actually really cool. I haven't seen that before, so that's pretty cool. And it's a really nice vibrant red. Like, it's very red. It's not like orangey red or purpley red or anything. So that's the first pattern paper. Then we have this super fun stripe, which is a diagonal stripe that has red and pink and green on a white background. And I like that it's a wonky stripe. It's really cute. Then we have this harlequin type of a pattern, a dotted crisscross stripe to make these diamonds on a green background. And this is such a beautiful shade of green. I love this color. It's almost like a sage, or like a, I don't know, it's like a creamy green. It's very pretty. The flip side has these little half circles or scallops or whatever you might want to call them, and also dotted lines. It's really cute as well. And the color scheme, I think, is pretty neutral. Like, it doesn't have to be used on holiday paper, on holiday pages. I'm going to have a really fun time using these. Did I show the other side of that one? Yeah, I did. Then we have this really cute, this is a snowflake print. At first I thought it was a flower, but if you look really close, at it, you'll be able to see that they're actually snowflakes. So cute. And from a distance it reads as a green. Really nice, but the snowflakes are actually blue with little tiny white centers in them. The flip side is this really cute ACAT pattern that has, it almost looks like a rug or something. It's a very vibrant green on a white background. We have a plain mint green piece of paper, and then the other side is a light blue. Then we have an argyle print here that has that creamy green and then also almost like a forest green or hunter green. That's really pretty. Very nice for masculine cards or pages. Then we have this really wonky stripe. It's a little hard on the eyes when you look at it all at once from a distance. But this is how it looks up close. It's like this slightly interrupted dashed pattern. And this would look really nice as an edge, like in smaller doses. Really cute. Then we have, oh, I love this. This blue and red and white striped paper with all these strips on it. It's not really stripes, it's more of strips. I love these patterns. I'm going to challenge myself to make a non-holiday page with these. Oh, look at this. And then this beautiful piece of cardstock or solid paper that is red on one side and then green on the other side. I love this color of red. Oh, I love this. And these would make really beautiful papers for making cards with as well. Or you could cut them down into 4x6 cards to go along with these little journal cards that I'm about to show you right now. So you can also get these sets of 3x4 journal cards from Freckled Fawn. If you get there fast enough, they seem to sell out. And it looks like there's 2 of each card, which is awesome because there's something different on the other side. So that way you can, you know, not have to sacrifice a card if you want to use the front of it or the back of it. This one says Just Love Today. And then on the other side is this, it's almost like a citrony, greeny yellow with stars on it. There's 2 of those. There's 2 of this card with mittens on it. And then the other side has this really elaborate frame. Cute. Ah, I love this. It's a sweater and it says Stay Cozy. Oh, I love that. Really nice color scheme. I like that color combination of that darker green and the creamy bluey green. This one says On This Winter Day, and then there's a big space here that you could put journaling or a photo. And then on the other side, we have these hearts. This line of hearts on the top and on the bottom. This would look really cute for Valentine's Day too. This card has that argyle print on it with a little space for a title or a caption or something. And then the other side has a candy cane. This is the first holiday themed item that I've come across so far. Then we have those teacups or coffee cups. 2 of these cards. Again, 2 of this card again. Then the flip side has a red frame around it that says Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, weekend, and then a little floral embellishment on the top. This is a really cute pattern. I love this. Again, there's 2 of all of these. I love that the lines are outlined in black. That makes this really interesting and bold, with a little place for a title at the bottom, and then the same colors are used here on this cool pattern. Then we have a journaling card right here, 2 of them of course, half green, half blue, with lines on it for you to put a story, and then the other side has either vertical or horizontal stripes depending on how you use it. Then this one says Let Me Explain, and it has this dashed line all the way around it. A big space for journaling. And then this one says Favorite Story of the Year, and it's in this brown color. Then we have another one of these stripes. It's light green and bright green. And then the flip side is hearts with a pink grid. Then we have a card that has this pattern on it that shows up in the pattern paper, and the flip side is half green and half white. These cards are really fun to work with. Alright, so let's have a look at this kit. The kits come with this kind of a zipper pouch, like a sliding zipper pouch instead of a actual zipper pouch, which is a change in the kit pouches. I find these pouches really handy to have on hand for things like my kids put things in them when they go to sleepovers. Nice to just kind of keep things together with them. They're handy to have, but I have to say, although I'm guessing that the zipper pouch probably is a little bit more durable than these plastic zips, I think that it's not going to be a big issue for me because I usually just kind of, I'm not spending a lot of time opening and closing them. This is a really cute bag. It has these cute little hearts all over it. Really sweet. Oh my goodness, I love this tape. So this tape is like a glitter tape, but it has these heart, like a star pattern in it. This is one of my favorite tapes I've ever had. I love this tape. So nice. So it is a different consistency than washi. If I can find where it ends. There we go. So it's a different consistency than washi. It's kind of plasticky. If you can see how it rips, and it kind of rips in a stretchy way, and then it just kind of like tears after that. And it's not really see-through. So it's pretty opaque. As you can see, you can't really see the pattern underneath of it, but it seems to be pretty forgiving, like it peels off of things pretty easily. So that's an interesting roll of tape, and look at all the tape you get on the roll. That's awesome. Then we have this little baggie filled with little acrylic chips. I think I'm going to love these. There's a candy cane, 2 mittens, a coffee cup, and a little thing that says Holly Jolly, a little circle that says Holly Jolly. Oh, I love that. Makes me want to go back and add things to my December documented. These adorable little wood veneer strips. Such cute little borders. These would be great for Project Life or whatever kind of pocket page documenting you do. But they'd also look nice on a scrapbook page. But you know, I think that they're a little bit too long to go in a 3x4 pocket that way, but they would look nice in a 4x6 or, you know, that way on a card, for example. Then we have a little sheet of these tiny little stars, tiny little metallic plastic stars. I say metallic, they've got like a silver backing on them that makes the red seem metallic. They're really cute. Oh, a little set of die cuts. I don't recall getting this kind of a thing in one of these kits before. Let's have a look. There's a strip, a frame. So this is what the die cuts look like. I'll put some of them in my hand and hold them up for you to see. There we go. So if you're still documenting your December, this is a great kit for you to use. There you go. And then a frame with some lines on it, like a journaling frame. Then we have these heart-shaped epoxy stickers. They have browns and greens and reds and whites. A set of label stickers, which is so, so handy to have on hand. Handy to have on hand. There we go, and they're nice, heavy cardstock weight type of label stickers. A set of vellum stickers. Oh, it says yum 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 with an arrow pointing down. That's awesome. And then, oh my goodness, I love these stickers. They're so cool. I'm such a huge fan of red. I love red letter stickers. Red is my favorite color. Except yellow kind of is too, but red has always been my favorite color, and lately, meaning the past, 7 or 8 years, yellow has also been a favorite color of mine, but I adore red. These are so nice. I love how fine they are. They're rubber letter stickers, and they're so fine. Oh, these are going to be so much fun to use, and definitely not Christmas. I use red all year long. So thanks for watching this video. If you're interested in picking up this kit, which is still available, or having a look at the January kits and papers and journaling cards, check out the affiliate link that I have linked below, or just go directly to their website at freckledfawn.com. Thank you so much for watching, and have a really great scrappy week.